for later. The agenda for today. All of this. What is first is your key. I'll put custom icon. Second is add theme colors. That's that screen. So custom icon though basically what so it's hopefully fine. So what I did was I have generated a lot of these screens from GPT. The theme I had done before, that's why I don't have. Okay, not this then. Maybe yeah. So I generated an icon. Okay, first with GPT. So I have generated this icon. Like I gave some, you know, queries and all. So I got this icon first, and then after I got the icon, I built the theme. So what I did was I went to this material theme builder and here add wallpaper, and you can add this location gas. This will be downloads. Okay. So yeah, click here, click there, add wallpapers, downloads, resources, and select. Okay. Now what happened is now this has generated all the colors, primary, secondary, and all. Error neutral. You can add custom colors here also. And then I picked two fonts. Then I exported. Like I've done this before because I'm a pro. But yeah, you add export thing, and it'll give you three options. And it's your Jetpack Compose and all. So this is how I generated the thing, which looks something like this. So it gives you zip. I've unzipped it. Tells you how to copy and paste items. Resources. And there will be font certificate. You paste this file there, and UI में theme colors, theme type. So like if you see here in UI and in theme, I have colors, theme type. What I'm going to do is I'll paste this in core. Source main. There is core है ना, तो core में I'll do UI theme package किधर है, UI theme, and actually you know what, I'll just again actually paste it from there only, and there's no resources here. I provide resources. Only Java. New project. Resource directory. Yeah, resource values. And in that I'll paste resources name. Okay, let's just, no, but values maybe I can put now because mine anyways is red. 0. And in Java things में I can add, जब पेस्ट हो जाता है बहुत सही, कट हो जाता है, just put this. I mean, I think we've added all of this. This is pretty much. I'll have to compile it, it'll come back. It's not urgent. Now I can, let me add app icon. Yeah. The IC launcher is the name. What I'll do is I'll add new vector asset. Put in the asset. No. So let's add one. Actually, you know what? I can actually like to paste this into the folder directly. The project is open Explorer. There's a resources folder here. No? Okay. Files no image. Image asset. Now we'll add this. Yeah. Where is that? Is there... भाई no, what was the, I think I named it icon only. Icon. So icon it is. Now I'm not going to trim. Yes. Okay. This is all right. Download. Okay. And icon the same already is. Yeah, that's the idea. Cool. So we did this. Now the icons changed. Will be changed. Finish. Add. So now if I run this app, I should yeah, I had to add this thing also, right? Splash screen. So There's a hmm. Yes, doing this. So the Android where's the window? Yes, okay. Here I'm going to add your just change to 1.1.1 now. So what I'll have to do is in themes, see, there is that. Even in yeah, see, here the app is there. So when it's still looking a little bit, I'll have to change something in the background to show this green thing. We'll see. Try to make it transparent later, but it is working. I'll do the first things replace with library catalog naturally. Also, as well, 1.1. So now in the values I have to add um, okay, let's just read it. The theme XML. So there is resources one main your theme. So I'll create one more theme, and in that theme I will put all these values. But I think there's something to do with like the API level also. I have to do values underscore. I think 33 is something which like compatible all the way. So I'll not create an XML file for this. Okay. So abhi what I'm doing is I'll just make a themes ka file and then we'll do. So inside my things, resources, value, theme, I'll create one more theme. st one theme. Now okay, okay. In this I'm going to paste all these items. See, this is what I was talking about. No, there is 30. Let me just paste all of them and then figure this out. But there's, I think, one more which takes even. If it's saying 31, that will say 33. So I need to make 33. Okay. Icon background color. Color. Branding image. Okay, I think the branding image requires a higher. No. Behavior. Hmm. Is the icon. Is 0, which is placed the icon on the splash screen. If the. Okay, this is for behavior, I think I need. But I'll skip the behavior part. Not that important. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not doing it. I'm not. Let's go reload. Hit in. उसको फिर क्या करेंगे? Just get rid of this then. Color can be what? Oh, I have to put color here. Alright, not a problem. In I think this is I have to do this manually now. So I see. One thing I forgot to do is that this package name I have to change. I didn't do that. I have to do it everywhere. Oh, no wait. Change files package to com. Color is there. Some issue. Let me sort this out. What's going on? Be this one. Oh, I have not added dependency. Is that way? But I thought you don't need dependency for this. There you go. Still code, no, okay. Let me check. So here compose. Um, I think I should have added this. That's a that's very much. Another Android है तो अच्छा add later. Let this will be. I have to cut this a lot. फालतू में इतना लंबा वीडियो होता जा रहा है. This should not give me problem. Again, the cooling review compose में ऐड करना होगा क्या? ये ऐड करने के बाद भी but nothing is happening. So there is a problem. Why? Mm. Let me stop. So let's do this first. What I had done was I had also generated an XML file. Uh, when like you remember we saw with this where we were putting like color theme and all for the compose, and also done it for XML. What I'm going to do now is I'll just, because I'll be using it here. This is your basic. I'll just paste it from there to here. Open with Notepad++. I have this is color. New. An issue if you remember. Basically, what is this? Is this file wrong? I had imported. Now this is correct, so you don't see any error. In themes also, the same thing. Type that type of insert import, removing unnecessary files. Okay, I'll delete that. But first, where is, see, this is all what I've added. It means purple, but primary. Alright. I'll uh, I'll add icon here for this, and color also, right? I need a background color. Background, non-primary, non-primary, primary. Okay. So there are two icons, one on the top and one at the bottom. I have to add. This will just be IC launcher foreground. This will just wait. Ideally, let's see if this is giving me. I have to add this to manifest, don't I? Okay, so for this, where is it? Yeah, for this theme to apply, I have to apply this theme now. Okay, so let's see. So like here, this is the theme that has been applied. Okay, and this has been applied in manifest file, which is here. So here, if I add splash theme and then I run the app, we'll be able to see this. Like you saw that here I've put, now you can see I've put foreground, this one here, this icon here, and that is what is showing up in. So if I open this now, see the background color is also applied and the icons also applied. All I have to do now is I have to put the correct icon here, and yeah, primary can, background is I think all right. Primary is also, green background is this, and icon background. Okay, anyways, I can add a small image at the bottom also if I want, but that's not that interested right now. So scroll launcher, just put this. Hmm. Now I should get this icon done. The splash screen is pretty much done. Right? Customizations and all I'll think about later. I'll just, what all have I changed? Okay, I've changed a few things around there. I've added, oh okay, these are all the files. So this is all the UI that I have generated. This is great. Let's just go through it really fast. This was what, this was the splash screen, but this is just for reference. It's not like so generated, and obviously the fields are also not exact. So just like start on this or do something here. This is the onboarding screen, and as you can see, this is your home screen. Launch dinner like this. This is the search screen. There is your details screen for when you click on a recipe, things like that. Then obviously your bookmarked page will be here. Meal planner thing or something like, I'm definitely not going to follow this. I want to make something simpler. There's a, I think this I was going to cancel. We'll just see in the profile. The problem is like making this is not a problem, but what am I like? What will I put all here? Would these fields be? That's a bit of a, like how much information can you actually just to make an app? But yeah, okay. Profile and the settings, notifications, privacy, see? Language. I think about help and support about the app. So here I'll put probably all the information, APIs and stuff. Contact us can be there for, you can put email and you can put me tweet to me, things like that. But We see that is also not that important because, well, this is a dummy app. Finding the icons and stuff. So yeah, that worked. This is what it is. The thing has happened. Now I'll just clean this up and I'll commit it in the repo, and then we'll start with, I think I'll start with Hilt now. I'll add dependency injection everywhere. So yeah.